Hello folks, this is Liu Will channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a soup. It's called the Fish and Tofu Soup. Chinese name called 鱼肉豆腐. And the main ingredients we need some fish. This is I call it fish. And you can use the fillet. I just use the whole fish. And it's all up to you. And we need a piece of tofu and 2 green onion or scallion, and 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. First, we add 6 cups cold tap water to a pot and heat this water until let it still boiling. We use this water. Okay, we cut the scallion or green onion already washed, and pick the dead leaves. We just cut the root off, and then we cut it like this. Cut it this long. And put it into the. Okay, we process deal with the garlic. We cut the root, the bottom part of the garlic, clove of garlic. This is cut it off, and then we put garlic like this. Smash the garlic. Just smash it and put it in the bowl. Okay, smash it. Smash it. Okay. Those garlic we get. And if you have the ginger, then we just chop some ginger. We will use 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. It's all up to you. Okay, we cut the tofu. First, we just open the tofu on the package. Okay, we drain the water of the tofu. Okay, we cut the tofu. The tofu we try to cut it thin, like this. So be like thin like this. We use the tofu is firmed, the tofu. So we just then cut it. And cut it now. So the final tofu will be like this. We use. This is the tofu we get. Turn on the stove. And medium flame. And put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add olive oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil to a pot, and rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the salt. We add salt to the pot, and then just add it to a layer of salt, just a thin layer of salt to the pot. Okay, right now this is the fish. We use a paper towel to dry the fish because we don't have the water. Then we put the fish to the pot. Just be very careful and don't move. Just put it into the. Be careful. Just keep it don't burn by the oil. You put those yellow perch and the rock crab into it. Be careful. We put the fish in, but we don't touch the fish. Just let the fish to slowly try to fry in the pot. We just don't move it. Just leave there until the one side is formed and it become crispy. Then we turn over to fry the other side. Okay, those fish is clean the fish. If you want to know how to clean the fish, you can go to my video and show you how to clean the fish. After fry well, we turn the fish to fry the other side. To fry the other side of the fish. Okay. You can use a non-stick pot. It's all up to you. I use them to fry the other side. You see that one side already become golden brown. You can see the become golden brown. This is what we want. To fry the other side. Let the other side also become golden brown. Okay. Let's fry the other side. And don't start to move the oil, let the oil. When the other side also fried, become golden brown. This is the cooking wine. You can use any cooking wine. We add 1 tablespoon cooking wine to the fish, and then move it. Okay. This is the ginger. We add 1 tablespoon ginger to it. If you don't, you can add 1 teaspoon. It's all up to you. We add the garlic and the green onion scanning into it. Now we just can use to fry the garlic. To stir fry. Don't worry, because we make the fish soup. Make sure the bottom don't stick. To try the scallion, so let the ginger and garlic let it release good smell. Slowly fry. When the garlic and scallion or green onion and ginger release good smell, then we turn the fire to the high fire. This is the boiling water. Then we add 6 cups boiling water to the pot. This you must add the boiling water. This is the tricky part, to let us have the milky fish soup. If you add not the boiling water, it won't become very white like milk. So we added the boiling water to it. 6 cups. Okay. Make sure the water cover all the fish, because we make soup. Now put the lid on to cover it. Now you can see it start boiling. Now we turn the fire to the low medium fire, a little lower than medium, and let it slowly boiling for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, we try the flavor of the soup. We try the flavor. They need a little salt, so we add probably half tablespoon salt to it. When we stir it, and try the flavor. That is good. We can try. The flavor is good. This is the black pepper. Add a pinch black pepper to it. Don't add too much. Okay. And stir it. This is the tofu we cut it. Then now we add a tofu into it. Add tofu into the soup. And turn the fire to the high fire. Now we cover the lid. And let the tofu cook for 10 minutes, 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And we check. Now you see the tofu and the fish soup is boiling. Then we turn the fire to the medium fire. Let it slowly boiling for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, well, yeah, this soup is done. Let me try the soup again. You see, very white like milk, milky fish and tofu soup. Let me try the flavor. So good. Now we can add this to a big soup pot, or we can add it to the bone, into the bone to each person. You can use a fillet to do this if you are afraid of the fish bone. To add the tofu and the fish. Put on the stove. So the milky fish and tofu soup, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.